Our goal should be not just to live longer, but to live healthier lives free from chronic diseases.
Welcome to Quickpod. The quote you just heard is from Dr. Peter Attia, a renowned physician and expert in longevity and health optimization. In this episode, we'll be summarizing in less than 15 minutes his enlightening conversation with Tim Ferriss, covering topics such as exercise, longevity, and chronic disease prevention. Let's dive into it. Part 1. Exercise and muscle growth. Dr. Peter Attia begins by sharing his personal experience with muscle mass, highlighting the transformative effects it has had on his health and fitness. He emphasizes the importance of muscle mass for overall health and longevity.
Strength is the most important physical attribute for aging well.
Dr. Attia asserts. He elaborates on how muscle mass acts as a protective factor against a range of health issues, including metabolic diseases and physical frailty. The conversation then shifts to the impact of fasting on muscle mass. Dr. Attia discusses how different fasting protocols can influence muscle preservation and growth. He mentions that while fasting has numerous health benefits, it is crucial to balance it with adequate nutrition to prevent muscle loss.
Fasting should be approached with a strategic mindset, ensuring that your body receives enough protein to maintain muscle integrity.
He advises. Dr. Attia delves into the nutritional and exercise changes necessary to increase muscle mass. He stresses the importance of protein intake, recommending around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. This, combined with resistance training, creates an optimal environment for muscle growth. Tim Ferriss adds his own experiences, noting how tracking his protein intake and incorporating strength training has significantly improved his fitness. A significant portion of the discussion focuses on the importance of maintaining and improving strength for longevity. Dr. Attia introduces rucking as a practical exercise to enhance cardiovascular health and muscle endurance. Rucking, which involves walking with a weighted backpack, has been particularly effective in boosting his VO2 max. He explains,
Rucking is a simple yet powerful way to improve both cardiovascular and muscular endurance. It's a low-impact exercise that can easily be incorporated into daily routines.
They also touch on different types of muscle fibers and their importance. Dr. Attia explains the difference between slow twitch and fast twitch muscle fibers, emphasizing the need for varied exercises to activate both. Concentric, muscle shortening, and eccentric, muscle lengthening, strength training are crucial for comprehensive muscle development. Practical exercise recommendations include step-ups and rucking, which target multiple muscle groups and improve overall fitness. Dr. Attia shares his personal experiences with skinning and rucking, highlighting the benefits these activities have had on his endurance.
Integrating activities like skinning and rucking into your routine can significantly enhance your endurance and overall fitness,
he says. Tim Ferriss agrees, noting that these activities provide a balanced workout that combines cardiovascular and muscular benefits. Part 2, Diet, Nutrition, and Fasting. In this segment, Dr. Attia discusses his approach to extreme fasting routines and their impact on health. He explains the benefits of intermittent fasting and prolonged fasting, including improved metabolic health and enhanced autophagy.
Fasting can be a powerful tool for resetting your metabolism and promoting cellular repair,
he notes. However, he also cautions against extreme fasting without proper nutritional support. The conversation shifts to the importance of protein timing and amount. Dr. Attia emphasizes that consuming protein at the right times is crucial for muscle preservation and growth. He recommends spreading protein intake throughout the day to ensure a steady supply of amino acids to the muscles.
Timing your protein intake can make a significant difference in muscle maintenance and growth,
he explains. They discuss different types of protein, comparing animal-based and plant-based sources. Dr. Attia highlights the advantages of both, noting that while animal-based proteins are generally more bioavailable, plant-based proteins can also be effective when consumed in sufficient quantities. He encourages a balanced approach, incorporating a variety of protein sources to meet nutritional needs. Tim Ferriss introduces the concept of continuous glucose monitoring CGM for non-diabetics. He shares how using a CGM device has provided valuable insights into how different foods affect his blood sugar levels. This practice has allowed him to make more informed dietary choices, ultimately leading to better health outcomes. Understanding how my body reacts to different foods has been a game changer for my diet and energy levels, Tim notes. Dr. Attia agrees and elaborates on the benefits of using CGM, particularly for people who want to optimize their diets and avoid spikes in blood sugar that can lead to long-term health issues. He recommends trying a CGM for a few weeks to gather data and adjust your eating habits accordingly.
Monitoring your glucose levels can provide immediate feedback on the impact of your dietary choices, helping you to make healthier decisions,
he says. They also discuss effective dietary strategies for health and longevity. Dr. Attia advocates for a balanced diet rich in whole foods, emphasizing the importance of minimizing processed foods and sugars. He also highlights the role of healthy fats and complex carbohydrates in maintaining energy levels and overall health.
A well-rounded diet is key to long-term health and wellness,
he advises. Part 3. Longevity and chronic disease prevention. Dr. Attia dives deep into the analysis of mortality rates and life expectancy improvements. He explains how modern medicine has extended life expectancy by treating acute conditions. But the focus needs to shift towards preventing chronic diseases to further improve longevity.
Our goal should be not just to live longer, but to live healthier lives free from chronic diseases,
he asserts. He introduces the concept of medicine 2.0 versus medicine 3.0. Medicine 2.0 is about treating diseases after they occur, while medicine 3.0 focuses on preventing these diseases from developing in the first place. This proactive approach involves regular health checkups, maintaining a healthy diet, and staying physically active.
Preventative health care is the future. By addressing potential issues before they become serious, we can significantly improve quality of life,
Dr. Attia explains. Dr. Attia highlights several underutilized metrics and tools for expanding health and lifespan, such as VO2 max, strength training, and advanced screening methods like liquid biopsies. He mentions,
VO2 max is one of the best predictors of longevity. The higher your VO2 max, the better your overall cardiovascular health and the longer you're likely to live.
He encourages regular cardiovascular exercises to maintain and improve VO2 max. Tim Ferriss and Dr. Attia also discuss the importance of preventative measures such as regular exercise and maintaining a healthy diet in reducing the risk of chronic diseases. They emphasize that small, consistent changes in lifestyle can have a significant impact on long-term health and longevity.
Consistency is key. Small daily habits can add up to substantial health benefits over time,
Dr. Attia says. Part 4. Medical literacy and scientific understanding. Dr. Attia stresses the importance of understanding scientific studies and being able to critically assess medical and scientific information.
In today's information-rich world, it's crucial to know how to read and interpret scientific studies to make informed decisions about your health,
he advises. He explains the basics of scientific research, including how to evaluate study design, sample size, and statistical significance. He also provides resources for improving medical literacy, such as online courses and books that explain the fundamentals of medical science and research. Tim Ferriss adds that learning to navigate scientific literature has been incredibly valuable in his own journey toward better health and wellness. They also touch on the effectiveness of early cancer detection and the use of advanced screening methods like liquid biopsies, for example, GRAIL. Dr. Attia explains how these technologies can detect cancer at an early stage, significantly improving treatment outcomes.
Early detection is key. The earlier we can detect cancer, the better our chances of successfully treating it,
he states. He encourages listeners to stay informed about new screening technologies and to discuss them with their healthcare providers. Part 5. Emotional health and personal reflections. Dr. Attia opens up about the importance of addressing emotional well-being in the context of longevity. He shares the challenges he faced while writing his book and how being vulnerable helped him connect with his audience on a deeper level.
Writing the book was a deeply personal experience. It made me realize the importance of emotional health in achieving overall well-being,
he confides. Tim Ferriss chimes in with his own experiences, emphasizing that taking care of one's emotional health is just as important as physical health. He mentions that practices like meditation, therapy, and spending quality time with loved ones have significantly improved his overall well-being. They discuss various strategies for maintaining emotional health, such as mindfulness practices, building strong relationships, and seeking professional help when needed. Dr. Attia highlights the benefits of regular self-reflection and being honest with oneself about one's emotional state.
It's important to regularly check in with yourself and address any emotional issues before they escalate,
he advises. To wrap up, this episode with Dr. Peter Attia provides profound insights into exercise, diet, longevity, medical literacy, and emotional health. The key takeaways include: incorporate both concentric and eccentric strength training into your exercise routine for optimal muscle growth. Use continuous glucose monitoring to understand how different foods affect your blood sugar levels and make informed dietary choices. Focus on preventative health measures, such as regular exercise and a healthy diet, to reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve longevity. Improve your medical literacy to make informed decisions about your health and understand scientific studies. And prioritize emotional health through practices like meditation, therapy, and spending quality time with loved ones. If you enjoyed this summary, make sure to follow Quickpod and check out Tim's original episode for a more in-depth exploration. See you next time.